Today, I'm diving into Vonbeau, a cashback website designed to help you earn money back on your purchases. From the moment you land on the site, you can see that Vonbeau offers a straightforward design with clear instructions on how to start earning. The process is simple. Sign up, choose your retailer, and start shopping through Vonbeau's links to earn cashback. One of the things I noticed first is that Vonbeau works with a wide range of popular stores. Whether you're shopping for fashion, electronics, or home goods, you'll likely find your favorite retailers listed on their site. You don't have to worry about missing out on any deals either, as the site also showcases active promotions and discount codes, which can be combined with cashback offers to maximize your savings. Now, let's talk about the process of earning cashback. After clicking through to your chosen retailer, Vonbeau tracks your purchase automatically, and you'll get a percentage of the sale back. However, it's not instant. You need to wait for the retailer to confirm the sale, which can take several days or even weeks, depending on the store's process. The platform also has a referral program, where you can earn even more by inviting friends to sign up. This can be a nice bonus if you're active on social media or in a community that values discounts and cashback deals. However, it's important to note that the cashback rate can vary. Not all stores offer the same percentage, and some rates may be lower than others, depending on the promotion or deal available at the time. When it comes to cashing out, Vonbeau has a variety of payment options, including PayPal and gift cards. While this flexibility is appreciated, I did find that it can take a while to accumulate enough earnings to make a meaningful payout, especially if you're only using it occasionally. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Despite some minor delays in processing payouts, I believe Vonbeau is a solid cashback site overall. It offers a lot of value for those who do a lot of online shopping and are looking to save money. However, if you're looking for immediate rewards or don't have the patience to wait for confirmation on purchases, it might not be the best fit for you. But if you're patient and can wait for your cashback to process, Vonbeau offers a great way to earn money back while shopping. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Vonbeau and how your experience was.